everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be making Malta Punch, also known as Malta Con Leche Condensada, which is basically just Malta with condensed milk. We're going to be following the exact recipe that Egils brand recommends on their website for what they call Malta Punch. So what you're going to need is all assembled here. You'll need a pitcher, 2 bottles of Malta. You can do any kind of Malta, they don't specify. We're going with Malta Goya. You need a 14-ounce can of Egils brand sweetened condensed milk, or let's be real, any other condensed milk that you would like to use. And then I'm gonna use a silicone spoon and a whisk. All right, first up, let's go ahead and open up our sweetened condensed milk and pour it into our pitcher. This is where that silicone spoon comes in handy, where you can get everything out of there because this stuff is very, very sticky. Now that we've got all of that in there, we're just gonna go ahead and pour in both of our Maltas. Now, as you can see, all of that condensed milk is pooling down here, so we're gonna take our spoon and really get in that crevice and get this mixed up really well. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, now that we've gotten that mostly mixed up, I'm just gonna take my whisk, make sure that my spoon has gotten all of that condensed milk off, and we're gonna give this a good whisk just to make sure that everything is really mixed up. All right, now all of our Malta Punch is really mixed up in there. They recommend serving it over ice, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. And there we go. There is our finished Malta Punch, Malta Con Leche Condensada, Malta with condensed milk, however you would like to say it. But more importantly, if you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would do this again. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.